Hello everyone and welcome back to Conceptual Clarity. Today we are going to learn about IELTS Speaking Part 2, also called the long turn. So let's get started. In IELTS Speaking Part 2, the examiner gives you a cue card. You get 1 minute to prepare and then you speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Sounds scary? Don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Cue card. Describe a place you love to visit. You should say where it is, how often you go there, what you do there, and explain why you love it. Okay, you have 1 minute. Here's what you do. Step 1. Write keywords, not full sentences. Step 2. Cover all points on the cue card. Step 3. Think of one interesting detail to impress the examiner. Now listen to this band 7+ answer. One place I absolutely love to visit is Lahore's Badshahi Mosque. It is located in the heart of the old city. I try to visit at least once a month, usually on weekends. Whenever I go there, I sit quietly and admire the beautiful Mughal architecture. The reason I love this place so much is because it gives me a sense of peace and history at the same time. Every time I visit, I feel truly connected to my roots. Now here are 3 secret tips to impress your examiner. Tip 1. Never stop speaking. Keep going even if you make small mistakes. Tip 2. Use linking words like furthermore, however. In addition, tip 3. Show emotion in your voice. Examiners love passionate speakers. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Conceptual Clarity. Comment below, which place do you love to visit? See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.